Good morning, students. In the first lecture, we have studied the meaning and definition of the partnership, features and partnership, the meaning and definition and features of the partnership. Under meaning, once again I am revising the creation of Partnership Act by Indian Partnership Act 1932. Under section 4, the partnership is defined as partnership is the relationship between two or more persons who have agreed the share of profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Features: two or more persons, agreement, sharing of profit loss, legal business should be existed, carried on by all or any of them acting for all, and unlimited liability. These all are the features of the partnership business. Okay. When we talk about the next topic, that is partnership deed. Okay. What is partnership deed? Partnership deed, when we talk about in common parlance, the partnership deed is an agreement. Partnership deed is an agreement between all the partners. Okay. The definition of partnership deed is it's a document which contains all the legal terms and conditions which help to regulate the partnership business. Getting you all are, my dear students? It's a document which contains all the legal terms and conditions which help to regulate the partnership business. Okay. It may be oral or in a written form. Okay. Partnership deed is a document, means in a type of book, it's a type of constitution of the partnership business. From these constitutions, the partnership operate or regulated. Getting whatever partnership business, if two partners is doing partnership if the two partners is in partnership business, then they made some specific rules and regulation for the concern, for the operation of the concern. Then whatever rules made, what are the terms and conditions made by the partner, these all are considered under partnership deed. These all are agreement. Getting you all are? What is partnership deed? Partnership deed in very easy language, it's a document which contains all the legal terms and conditions which help to regulate the partnership business. Under partnership business, there are various points we consider under partnership deed, like name and address of the firm, the type and nature of the business, means what type of business is partnership firm is doing. Okay. Amount of capital introduced by all the partners, means what amount of capital is introducing by all the partners in the partnership concern. Fourth point is what rate of interest on capital will be given to the partners, what interest on drawing will be taken by the firm on interest on drawing, what profit share ratio would be among all the partners, remuneration will be given to any partner or not, what will be the goodwill, and by which method we will implement for the calculation of the goodwill. All these points we will kept in partnership deed. Getting you all are? Partnership deed, what is? It's a agreement between all the partners on which point the partner is ready in the partnership business. Okay. Next topic is rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed. It's a most important topic, my dear students. It's a most important topic. Please learn it, everyone, learn it. Okay. These rules which will be applied in the absence of partnership deed, means in which business in the between partners there is no any partnership deed. There is no any partnership deed. Under the Indian Partnership Act, the Indian Partnership Act has provision for that type of institution, that type of businesses where there is no any partnership deed. Already arranged some specific rules and regulations by Indian Partnership Act 1932. Getting? The first rule is profit sharing ratio will be equal. What? Profit sharing ratio would be equal. It means if any partner introducing rupees 10 lakh, any partner B is introducing rupees 5 lakh, it doesn't matter. Okay, whatever profit earning by the company, the profit will be distributed between all partners. In which form? In equal form. In equally. Profit sharing ratio would be distributed in equally. Getting you all up? First point. Second point, no any interest on capital to given to any partner. Means firm will not pay any type of interest on capital to any partner. Okay, interest on capital. Getting you all up? The topic interest on capital. No any interest on capital will be given by the firm to any partner. When it will be implemented? When the partnership deed will not be existed, then firm will not pay any interest on capital. Third point, no any interest on drawing. In the absence of partnership deed, the firm will not pay any interest on drawing. The partner will not pay any interest on drawing to the firm. Getting? Fourth point, no any remuneration to any partner. No any remuneration to any partner. It means the firm will not pay to any partner no any type of remuneration like salary, wages, commission. Firm will not pay in the absence of partnership deed. Fifth point, interest on loan will not more than 6%. In the absence of partnership deed, if the firms is requiring more amount of capital, then definitely the firm will go for the loan, and on that amount the rate of interest will not be more than 6%. Will not more than 6%. Okay, my dear students, see here there are 5 points which will be implemented in the absence of partnership deed. First point is profit sharing ratio would be equal. Profit loss ratio will be equal. No any interest on capital. Third, no any interest on drawing. No any remuneration, salary, wages, commission to any partner. No any interest on loan will not more than 6%. Getting you all are? These all are the point which will be implemented in the case of rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed. This is the second lecture. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for today.